today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here, and you just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options here. We just click here on options, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on audio here. When you just click here on audio, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to playback amplifier here, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main playback amplifier enabled with us now. And here can you select it here. So like you see, it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.